one or two people alluded to the Okies earlier today. Okie folks lived in the panhandle of Oklahoma, northern Texas, northeastern New Mexico, southeastern Colorado. The worst hit area of the Dust Bowl. And these people were forcibly displaced, as Chris said. Many went into migrant camps. Their farms were foreclosed upon due to the Dust Bowl. Life was pretty miserable, and most of them tried to go to California, those who left. I think the number might have been upwards of 2.5 million folks who were completely displaced. And most went to California, and they were competing, as we said earlier, with other people for work. So we thought we would do a song in their honor called California Okies Do the Farm Day Dance. Now, if you would like to get up and dance probably in place without hurting each other, you could once the song gets going. We've given you the lyrics, so now we're going to play it for you, perform it for you.
You're free to get crazy.
Let's do it, yeah, let's shove it right in their face. Let's go, yeah.
Greetings, loved ones. This is Farm Day.
We know a place where the land is really fertile. Soil, plants and crops, and we hope there's no chemicals. We're working on our knees, trying to make sure there are no fleas on leaves, 'cause they must stay perfectly green and healthy. Now you got to go to the Golden Coast. Once you're back on your tractor, you'll be watching crops grow. California Okies like some marable dust bowl foreclosures, loads of ruined crops. Sun so hot ain't growing no pistachios. Now do the Farm Day dance. California Okies like some marable, pack up our cars, belongings on top. Okie farmers shout and do the Farm Day dance. Now do the Farm Day dance. Sun shining bright. This ain't so great for the potatoes. And grasshoppers eating every plant that grows. You've been forced from your home. Now you got to go to the Golden Coast. Once you're back on your tractor, you'll be watching crops grow. California Okies like some bearable dust bowl foreclosures, loads of ruined crops. Sun so hot ain't growing no pistachios. Now do the Farm Day dance. California Okies like some bearable, pack up our cars, belongings on top. Okie farmers shout and do the Farm Day dance. Now do the Farm Day dance. Yo, man, that dust is heavy. Stop my Chevy. No cops throwing that sand and dirt. Falling on in that whole world of hurt. Jackrabbit money is going around, eating everything up out of the ground. All this dust drives me insane. Picture taken by Rossi and Lane. All this dust makes my head sick. Over California, me another hillbilly. Picture that on the vine. Going to California, my head is fine. Okie farmers hanging out.
Watching them crops growing out.
Strawberries, kiwis, grapes, and melons.
Give us a chance, we'll go, we'll sell them.
Farmers, Josh, Maeve, and Katie.
Yeah.
This here Dust Bowl's crazy. Now we all upon you, because we Okies out to California. Dust Bowl foreclosures, loads of ruined crops. Hey! No pistachios. Do the Farm Day dance. California Okies like some mornings on top. West Coast Okies shout and do the Farm Day dance. Now do the Farm Day dance. Oh, do that.